If you don't want to grow up broke, stressed, and stuck in the same loop as everyone else, your first mission is simple. Make your first $10,000. Not 100,000, not a million, just 10. Because that first 10K is the hardest. When I was 18, I had nothing. No money, no skills, no fancy degree. But the moment I hit that number, something clicked. Making money isn't luck, it's a skill. If you can do it once, you can repeat it. And you can scale it. And if I had to start over from zero today, I'd follow 3 steps. The exact steps that took me from a broke teenager to where I am now. Step 1, pick the right way to make money, not the flashy one. Most beginners waste time on crypto spikes or day trading hype. Those things need money you don't have yet and luck you can't rely on. When you're starting, you need something with a low cost to begin, money coming in fast, and clear room to grow. When you strip away the noise, there are only 4 real options. In-person services like dog walking or tutoring give you the fastest cash flow, but you're limited by your zip code. Local products like baked goods are fun, but your profits get eaten by materials and your customer base is tiny. Global products like a clothing brand have huge upside, but you constantly have to reinvest profits just to restock. It takes months before you feel the payoff. That leaves the sweet spot. Online services, editing, copywriting, social media management, web design. This is it. You get global reach, profit margins are insane, 70 to 80% goes right into your pocket, and you can start earning from day one. If I needed $10,000 as fast as possible, I'd pick online services.
Every single time. Step 2, build a high-income skill the right way. Don't overthink it. Most beginners make one deadly mistake. They spend months preparing before taking a single client. That's backwards. Your goal is to earn and learn at the same time. Just ask yourself 3 questions. What am I already good at? What do I enjoy learning? And what problems do businesses always have? The overlap? That's your money-making skill. Then charge below market rate at the start. To turn that skill into a $10,000 income, master this 4-layer pyramid. Layer 1, positioning. Put yourself where the money is. Don't edit random clips online. Edit videos for a business that sells a product. Don't write cheap articles. Write landing pages that convert customers. Businesses always pay more when you help them make more. Layer 2, leverage. Charge for results, not hours. Hourly pay traps you. ROI-based pricing sets you free. Layer 3, reach. Make clients come to you. Post your work on social media. Show your before and afters, your designs, your case studies. It is shockingly effective, even for beginners. And layer 4, the secret weapon, reliability. 95% of freelancers fail because they miss deadlines. Clients will pay you again and again if you're simply reliable. Use a simple system to track your clients' deadlines and tasks. This alone puts you in the top 5%. Finally, step 3. Use your income to build wealth, not to look rich. Before you spend on cars or clothes, get your money working for you. Here's the simple roadmap. First, a high-interest savings account. It's not sexy, but it's your safety net. It stops you from panic selling investments when life hits. Second, indexed funds. This is your long-term growth engine. The S&P 500 has returned 10% on average for the last decade. Replace a $5 coffee with a $5 investment, and you could retire with over $1 million. Third, a small amount in individual stocks, just to learn the market. And fourth, crypto. High risk, high reward. Use only money you can afford to lose. Making your first $10,000 will change you, not because of the amount, but because once you prove to yourself that you can create money from nothing, you will never be the same person again. If you can make 10K once, you can do it over and over, and that is how real wealth begins.